In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix icons are missing in Windows 11 taskbar or a blank taskbar error in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete K together, and in that way you would be able to open up a black window where you get to see an option called Task Manager. So please click on it. By the way, you can also press Control Shift and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this window. So expand it first, and you need to navigate on this side. There you can see Run New Task. Please click on it, and eventually you would be able to open up this small window where you can create a new task. So please type for Reged Edit. It is Regedit. Click the box to give administrative privileges and click on OK to continue. In a few seconds, you would be able to open up this window where here you need to navigate to the left pane of it. You can see there are a list of keys. So by that, please proceed with hk underscore local underscore machine, and then you need to double tap to expand the list and proceed to the software. And here at the software, you need to double tap, and here you need to look for Microsoft. And under the Microsoft, you need to double tap here, and here you need to navigate to the Windows. So please scroll down and locate for it. Once you have find the Windows, please double tap and look for current version. And here at the current version, you need to double tap again. And please scroll down and locate with shell. And here at the shell, you need to double tap, okay. And here under this one, you can see a file folder named update. And here at the update, you need to double tap and please proceed to the first one, which is packages. Okay. So in this one, on this packages file folder, you need to proceed to the center, okay? And where here you would know where no specific, I mean, folder has been or data has been selected. In this blank space, make a right click, go with new, and choose for the word 32-bit value. So by that, you need to rename this one into undocking disabled. Again, it is undocking disabled. Okay. And once you have done typing, hit the enter key in your keyboard, and here you need to double tap and then you need to change the value data into 1 under base 4 decimal and then click on OK. Once done, please close the window and then restart your computer. So how you can restart it, press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together again, and you would be able to see a power menu options. Just navigate there and click on the restart. The moment you've restarted it, you would be able to fix the problem and you would be able to see the icons now in your taskbar. Okay? So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.